Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can shut all the participants in Zoom meeting. So this generally means how you can mute all the participants in Zoom meeting. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just join a meeting. And so to, let's say, shut all the participants in Zoom meeting, you need to be a host. How you can check is just go to your participants, and over here you'll be having your profile saying host and comma and then me. So now you need to shut all the participants. To do that, over here you'll be having option which says mute all. So just press over here and confirm it by pressing again on mute all, and then you can mute them all, as you can shut all the participants in Zoom meeting like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.